Yeah.
So, back at it. New high facts on. No brakes. Junks right here. There's the other section of it there. So we're getting ready to stuff that track underneath that machine. And then we'll get this suspension underneath of it. And then that will have all the drive, everything on it. And we'll be ready to go to the front suspension. And then we will be back to a actual rideable sled. But just got to make some squirrels appear or hamsters appear in there to drive that guy to make it go forward and backwards. But we'll get to the hamsters later. We'll get you guys set up and we'll get you guys taking a peek at how this is done or not done or whatever way we do it. But it's going to go together. We just don't know if it's the right way or the wrong way, but it'll be finished. I call it the finishing way because it will be finished. No matter how you get to the end of the race, as long as you get to the finish line. Now let's get the track underneath the right. Remember how it's supposed to go?
Yes, with the scoops. Yeah, going. Yes, just like this, basically.
It's not.
No? Okay.
It's wrong. If you're running in reverse, go switch your sides. Now it's right. This
Yeah, I knew that.
is how it goes.
Yeah, see? That's the way it goes. You
What? What?
Just like this.
Just like this?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No, actually, yeah.
Actually, what?
I don't know.
You don't know which way it goes?
No, it doesn't go like that, does it?
No.
Doesn't it?
No.
We gotta.
No.
What do we gotta do?
That look right?
Yes.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, that looks right because we got the scoops. Yep.
Oh, just ride snowmobiles. They're so much fun.
They are.
Nobody ever told me nothing about the work that goes involved in putting them together and keeping them running. Nobody ever said a word about that shit.
They said, ride sleds, they're fun.
Yeah, that's what I was always told. Oh man, you can ride some sleds. They're so much fun. Put that on top. Yep. Go forward. Keep going. Keep going. All right, hold on. Roll her like 3 feet over. Got it? Yep.
Suspension.
Getting there. We got 2 more bolts to put in before we say we got suspension. And then we got to tighten it up. So, all right, let's flip it over. That bolt there behind the wire harness is for the front. Okay.
And you've got the back one right there on the
Yes, I got the back one there.
pig. Ready?
Alright. Oh, goddamn, you had her lined up too. You went right past it. I seen the threads. I mean, I literally seen the.
Oh, yeah.
I seen the threads when you went past it. Well, you gotta push up on this.
Oh, damn.
Oh, now you gotta lift up. Oh, there. Come back to me a little bit. I think it was. Hold on, right. Hold it. Just hold it right there.
Just
a little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. Right there. I don't think I got it. It started, I think.
Find out in a second, right?
Oh, yeah, we're gonna find it right now. Oh man, we put the track on backwards.
You wouldn't let me do that. I know better. That means double the work for you.
Hell to the fucking hell. That ain't happening for sure. I can tell you that right now. .35% battery. Oh, you better get on it. You better get on it. We better get on it. 35% battery. Oh, it's about that time. Here we go. Oh, don't forget. Like, subscribe. Come on, man. We're putting out some good content. Well, I think it's good. I don't even. Okay. Anyway, let's get at it. Motor, donator, got to come out. Got to keep all the harnesses. We're pulling the bars off. We're taking all of this off. We're going to lighten up the whole top end assembly. We got to label every single wire, so that way when we crossbreed this one into the other one, we can actually physically might be able to get it running within the same year. We got to pull the pipes, get the motor off, leave all the old can stuff, take the, I don't know what we're going to do with this yet. I haven't figured that out. Host, we's back. We's back. No more dead battery. Anyway, like I was saying, we need to figure out what we're going to do with the airbox. I don't know if we're going to use this airbox or if we're going to use another one, but we'll get to that when we get to it. Motor's got to come out. Blah, 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 blah. Tank can stay on this rag. Exhaust got to come off. Handlebars. Yep, check, 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 check. All right, let's get to it. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Get at it. Get at it. I'm going to go work on something else. So on the choke itself, the choke lever itself, so don't, this turns off of here. So this plastic spins, but don't break it, and make sure you don't break this. Okay. So it's going to come off a little funny because of the way the choke cable is, but don't try not to break anything. Yeah, there you go. I figure it's going to be tight. There you go. And when you take it off, you're going to have to kind of angle this back, get it loose, and then flip it off. Like that. And then there's a washer as well.
All right, she's labeled choke.
Well, this is kind of obvious. It's the wiring harness that we got to worry about.
She's labeled, YouTube.
Yeah, yeah. We've got the choke labeled, choke labeled, choke. So
it doesn't, you know, the choke is labeled choke, so that everyone knows that it's a choke.
That way we can't get confused on what this actually is. It's the choke.
Because I don't know about you, but
I don't know what that is.
That would have confused me.
I'm confused.
What
are we talking about?
The choke?
Oh, is that what we're talking about? Oh,
okay. I thought we were talking about this.
Oh, yeah, this is the instruments one. You know what I'm saying? I thought we were talking about this too. So yeah, you can. Main thing I would worry about is like these guys that are popping off here. So this is your oil light. We're not going to be using that. So really,
don't worry about it.
You don't have to worry about that. But these here are the main ones. This is like your.
So do I need to know each one of these, or kind of just be like, this is the left side of the handlebar?
Yeah. So I would just label this whole harness left or right side,
handlebar,
and this is left side because they only plug in one way. Just trying to get something done.
The chronometer's in place.
Well, it's not in place yet, but
Close.
it's roughed up. It's roughed up. You know what I'm saying? Not too bad. If you give it to me. Yeah, you know what it used to was. They used to say flares on there all dirty and shit. It's what it is now. Blam blam. New school, old school. New school, old school. Get it? No, old, good, bad, better, best, when, why, how, why. I don't know.
Let two spirits say.